Innovations in artificial intelligence are happening every day. Now we have a new model which is called as OctoPack. OctoPack is primarily a method to fine-tune LLMs using Git commits with significant achievements in both performance and generalization. On your screen, you can see this GitHub repo where they have code and lot of other things. Plus, they have this paper where you can read through the abstract, which is very finely written. The problem which they are trying to tackle is that right now most of the LLMs don't offer much performance in and generalization. But this paper, on the basis of this OctoPack, improves instruction tuning in LLMs while achieving better performance. So what they're proposing is this. This is what is happening here is that they're creating a commit pack with 4 terabyte of Git commits across 350 languages, and then they are introducing models like OctoCoder and OctoGeeX using human eval pack. In a very quick summary, this is the methodology they are using while they're deploying it. Sorry. So they are compiling commit pack with BigQuery SQL and GitHub scripting, and then they are filtering to commit pack FT, and then fine tuning of OctoCoder and OctoGeeks happens. OctoCoder is 16 billion parameter, whereas OctoGeeks is 6 billion parameters on commit pack FT and OST. The result is that they have the state of the art performance on human eval Python benchmark, and also they have obtained superior generalization with OctoCoder and OctoGeeks across human eval pack. I will drop the link to all of this Git repo so that you can also read through and check this paper. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.